Hey everybody, Morzak EV here, back with another one of those 2-minute Tesla videos. So today we're talking about the Aero wheels, and if you didn't know, underneath the Aero wheel covers is quite a nice looking space grey finish alloy wheel. And personally, I much prefer how these look compared with the Aero wheel covers. So one thing you do have to bear in mind when taking off these Aero wheel covers is that Tesla claim the range reduces by 5%. Now at some point I'd like to do a test on this to see if it does actually reduce by 5%. So take this into consideration on your trips. Another nice thing about this modification is that it can easily be undone and the Aero wheel covers can be put back on to return the car to stock state. Let's roll the credits. Welcome to Morzak EV, a channel dedicated to all things electric vehicles, electric vehicle charging and all related technologies. This video is part of our 2-minute Tesla series, where we discuss modifications and quick how-tos for your Tesla Model 3. Now you can put your timing charts away because this video isn't going to be exactly 2 minutes, but we'll try and keep it as brief as possible. So the first step is to take off the Aero wheel covers. Now with this, you need to be forceful but gentle. Use your fingers to work your way around the wheel and prise those wheel covers off, revealing the alloy wheel underneath. The wheels look great, but obviously you're showing the bare steel for the wheel nuts and the centre hub. As always with Tesla aftermarket products, they're available in many different places. We got our wheel nut set off Amazon. They normally retail for around £10 to £20 in the UK or $10 to $20 in the US. Make sure you shop around and read the reviews because there are big variations in quality. So we removed the factory sticker and took the chance to give the wheels a good clean. So the first step is to install the wheel nut covers. Now this is really simple, you just slide them on. If it's a good set, they'll be a nice tight fit. Next, you take the centre cap from the set and install that. Just line it up square and give it a quick push. Again, really simple. So then you just go around and do that for the other wheels. So you can see here the car with one wheel done and one wheel with the Aero covers still on. So you get a good idea of the difference. It's also interesting how Tesla have decided to add the Aero wheel covers but also give you the option of the alloys underneath. This is probably to meet range targets but still give you the option of a nice looking wheel. Now I find it really interesting that I think with the alloy wheels the wheel actually looks a little bit smaller, but I like that look. It's got a kind of dragster drift car look to it. But what do you think? So that's it. Leave us any questions or thoughts in the comment section. If you like the video, smash that like button. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notifications of future videos, including these as part of our 2-minute Tesla series. And until next time, thanks for watching.